I didn't know, they didn't know. Yeah. 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 Is he the one who's fouled?
Yeah.
16?
The black man, guy in the blue.
Yeah.
What?
Yung nag-free throw.
Nag-free throw.
Yung nag-free
Pumasok na sila eh. Ayun o.
Hold on.
Tama.
Double, you guys submit, you know the rules, right? So you know the rules, so subbing under the limit is not allowed. You subbed in Darnell? Did you? Did you? No? Okay.
We're on the bench.
Okay. Okay. If somebody asked, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you, but you remember, right? There's only a set time that they can sub, right?
After 14.
13 and 6.
13-6.
Yeah. But right now, under 6 minutes, they can sub, and then under 6 minutes of the second half, they can sub freely. Okay?
So that's a 10 on flat.
They didn't know.
That's a 10 on flat.
No, it's fine. Bakit mag-take?
They came in without subbing.
Matt made the shot after the...
Hold on. I said timeout. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Technical foul in there. 2.
He got my rebound and made that shot.
Huwag mo kalimutan yung mapilito ha.
Oo.
Kano bibigay ko?
Mamaya.
Pwede.
Atrasado naman siya magpasa eh. Sinisisi pa niya yung kasama niya.
Sino?
Yung Danilo.
Hey Erwin, take a 2 shot, man. You're all 3 shot.
Nice! Wala. Ay! Layo na Danilo. Layo yung ano Danilo eh. Yung assist niya saka yung ano wala. Clean shot talaga yun, ha? Walang nasa gitna eh. Walang umaharang sa gitna eh.
No.
Sub whenever you're ready.
Grabe ah. Oh, last touch.
Sub, yeah?
Sub, sub.
Good, good.
Carmel! Carmel, itong dyan!
Sige na, pasok na. Easy lang, easy lang. Nice! Woo! Para ko shoot na yun eh. Gandang pagka ano niya.
Ang ganda na pa rin natin.
Ano naman, ni-remind mo na naman ako.
Sabihin ko kaya ano, yun na lang ang laging kunin.
Oh, that's... No, not counted.
Number 4. Henry, you got 4. Thank you.
4 fouls.
I told him he got 4 fouls. I got it, got it. Not looking. He's not looking. Swerte si ano yun ah. Swerte.
Sa wakas.
It's just 6.
Go, go! Power Rangers! Nice! Woo! Good G! Oh! Wow! Stop the flag! MVP! Lakasan mo lang konti.
Don't dribble the ball, please. Don't dribble the ball. Who's that?
Nice! Pinakasan ko kasi may na yung free throw niya eh. Foul! Open! Sesame!
One on one, one on one. One on one.
Highway! 101.
Yeah, I got one. Man, it's close.
Rebound! Rebound! Oh!
Bad pass.
Sayang, men. Yan yung bola yun, tapos na.
Limil got three. Guys on the side, please don't dribble the ball. Please don't dribble the ball.
Sus, grabe. Ginapi ko, ginapala. Sa may number na babay,